Hey friends, I am back to do a complete walkthrough and wrap up of the Autumn Forest Walk journal game. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to take you through all the steps. Of course, we had our insert, our booklet, Autumn Forest Walk. This was our game booklet that gave us all of the things we needed to do to set it up, play it, and just have a good time with it. So let me just go ahead. So we start at the very beginning. We start with the pregame. I'm calling it the pregame. It's where you choose your character. I played as myself, the reason for walking, what I was carrying, and a quirk or a trait about it. And then through the game, you create a map. So I did this every day after I was finished doing the gameplay. And each one of these stickers or drawings represents something that happened that day. Of course, we start here with Raccoon. We kind of just work our way around, and then we ended up here. Then, of course, we have day one. I'm not going to read them all because they're all in previous videos. But the gameplay is very simple. You just follow along. So you would just go, once you have all of that set up, you go to day one, you read your prompt, you roll the dice or not, depending on what it says, and then you go look for the changes that might happen with your encounter tables. Very, very easy to do. So we've got day one, which was the first step. Day two was settling in. Day three was the first meeting. And this was all so exciting and so fun to do. Day four was the forest stirs. Day five is a place to pause. This might be one of my favorite pages. I loved the tree. Day six was colors of the day. Day seven was a small story. Day eight, was overhead wonder. Day nine was unexpected pairing. Day 10 was something small. Day 11 was the weather shift. Day 12 was walking together. Day 13 was the challenge. And then day 14 was heading home. So one of the things that I learned during the process of playing this is it's okay to challenge yourself. I definitely challenged myself creatively. This is the first time I can honestly say that I have told a story with scrapbook papers and stickers. Usually I just use them to decorate, but I really pushed myself out of my comfort zone to make sure that they matched what the story was. And I had a really good time doing it. I definitely did some things that I have not done before, like doing this with like a pocket in the middle with the deco all around it. Just using different media like stickers and markers to draw and pull the story together. It definitely was a lot of fun. There were times, if you've watched the other videos, where you saw me just kind of really stop and think and pause and try to put it all together in my brain, what I wanted it to look like, what the story was going to come together as. And it was just a lot of fun to do. Now, one thing that I will definitely tell you is, and I'm going to come back here for a second for that. One of the things that I will definitely tell you is that in the process of doing this and watching other people play as well, there is no right or wrong way to play. So I chose this particular one to tell a story, kind of write a short story for myself. Other people that I saw playing were literally just like one-line things, a little more deco maybe, or maybe it was somebody that really likes to draw or sketch and they were doing a lot of doodling and sketching in their journal. There is absolutely no right or wrong way to do this. I think you just kind of follow your heart and wherever that creativity is leading you for the day or for this particular game. So I hope that you had fun with me and that this inspired you to maybe play a game of your own or just open up your journal and start journaling, whether it's creatively where you're just doing a junk journal style and using all kinds of different things in it, or maybe you do want to sit down and just start to write a little bit, right? It's entirely up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do it, and you can definitely mix and match everything all the time. So friends, thank you so much. Stay tuned because I will be starting the next journal game the beginning of December, and I hope you guys will stay with me and follow along. Have a great day, everybody.